Next, move on to abstraction. When designing payment systems, different methods like credit card or UPI have a common structure but behave differently. This is where abstraction helps.
And this is just a glimpse to drive deeper and master Java, Spring Boot, REST APIs, and real-time microservices. Check out my full Udemy course with a lifetime access. The link is in the description. Enroll now and start building real Java projects today. Let's move on to this video.
Abstraction means hiding complex implementation details and exposing only essential features. Previously, we saw about encapsulation. What it does hide the fields. Can't give the authority to edit those fields, okay? And here abstraction means it hide the full method implementation. The complex implementation. It's only showing the method name to the user. So this is the difference between both abstraction and encapsulation, okay? Abstraction means hiding complex implementation details and exposing only essential features like method name only. In Java, it's achieved using abstract class and interface. So here is the example for abstract class. So I'm creating abstract class payment with using abstract keyword. Inside that, I'm having a method, abstract method, process payment. It has one argument amount. And I'm creating another class credit card payment, which is extending this payment class. So I can implement those process payment abstract method inside the credit card payment, right? So I'm implementing and giving the code business logic inside this method. Like this, I can create the interface. So the same thing, I'm creating the interface payment method and creating the abstract method and class, and I'm creating one more subclass UPI payment that will implement this payment method. So inside that, I can give the implementation of the business logic for the pay method. Okay, so here we need to understand the difference between abstract and interface. Okay, abstract class can have both abstract and concrete methods. Concrete methods means the method with implementation. Abstract methods means method only declared, so you should not have the method body or implementation. That's it. And interfaces. Interface means only defines the method signature or abstract methods. So it does not have the concrete methods. Okay, this is the main difference between abstract class and interface. So in interview, you have to answer this clearly. Okay, use abstract classes for shared behavior and interfaces for defining a contract across multiple implementation. Okay, that's it. Next,
drop a Java in the comments if you are excited to start, and let me know what Java topics you want me to cover next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if this helped you, and tag your friends who is preparing for Java interviews. Thanks for watching.